Ever had a hug from her that made your heart race, yet you walked away unsure if you left an impact? What if I told you the way you respond to that one moment can keep you echoing in her mind for days? Picture this. She leans in, wraps her arms around you. It's not just physical, it's a silent language. In that split second, your body speaks louder than your words ever could. Most guys miss this. They freeze, or worse, they respond like it's just another bro hug. That's your moment. And if you handle it right with quiet power, you'll plant yourself in her mind like a whisper that lingers. First, feel her energy. Is it brief and polite, or lingering and warm? If she presses in longer, it's an invitation. Stoicism teaches us to observe, not react impulsively. Instead of squeezing back instantly, pause. Just a breath. Let her feel that you're present, calm and grounded. That tiny delay creates mystery. It tells her you're not rushing anything because you know your worth. Now, return the hug with intention, not too tight. One hand low on her back, the other near her shoulder. Stable, safe. Don't rub her back. That's nervous energy. Instead, hold with purpose. Like you're saying, I see you. Stoicism isn't cold, it's composed. She should feel your control, not your eagerness. That's what separates boys from men in her mind. And here's the twist. When you release, don't pull away too fast. Let your hand trail just half a second longer. Look her in the eye, but don't smile first. Let her search your face, then give her a soft, knowing smile. Not wide, just enough. That subtle delay builds anticipation, and anticipation breeds memory. Don't fill the silence right after. Silence used well is powerful. Speak only if it adds weight. A simple, "It's good to see you," in a calm, grounded tone lands harder than a flood of words. You're not trying to impress. You're letting your energy speak. And that's unforgettable. Every time you see her, repeat this presence. She'll start associating your energy with calm, security, and depth. That makes you rare. Rare sticks. While other guys chase attention, you command it without chasing. Stoicism gives you the power to stay still in a world that's always rushing. She'll feel that and crave it. So, next time she hugs you, don't treat it like nothing. That's your chance to be unforgettable. Not through flash, but through presence. The strongest memories aren't loud, they're felt. Respond like a man who doesn't need to say much, because his silence says it all. If this spoke to you, then you already know. Most men never learn the power of presence, but you're not most men. Join the Stoic circle and keep sharpening that calm, grounded energy women never forget.